Did you know the secret to a healthier gut could be hiding in your fridge? We're talking about the power of fermented foods. Today we'll explore 10 fermented foods that can transform your gut health. Get ready to unlock your gut's full potential. And don't forget to subscribe for more holistic health tips. Let's start with a classic yogurt. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures for the best probiotic benefits. Greek yogurt is a great option. Thicker, higher in protein, and just as gut-friendly. Add your own fruit or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Try different types, like Icelandic skyr or dairy-free coconut yogurt. Enjoy yogurt as a snack, in smoothies, or as a creamy base for dips. Simple, delicious, and a powerful step toward a healthier gut. Next up is kefir, a tangy fermented milk drink with even more probiotic strains than yogurt. Its unique fermentation process creates a fizzy, tart flavor and a diverse range of gut-friendly bacteria. Kefir is rich in calcium, protein, and vitamins and is often lactose-free. Try dairy or non-dairy versions to suit your needs. Enjoy kefir plain, in smoothies, or as a base for dressings. Its probiotic punch makes it a top choice for gut health. Add kefir to your routine for a delicious, nourishing boost. Sauerkraut is a crunchy, tangy condiment made by fermenting cabbage with salt. It's packed with fiber, which feeds your gut's good bacteria. Sauerkraut is also rich in vitamin C and digestive enzymes. Choose unpasteurized, refrigerated sauerkraut for live cultures. Add it to sandwiches, salads, or enjoy as a side dish. Making your own at home is easy and rewarding. This simple food delivers big benefits for your gut. Embrace sauerkraut for a tasty, probiotic-rich addition to your meals. Kimchi, a spicy and tangy staple from Korea, is much more than just a side dish. It's a centuries-old tradition that brings together flavor, nutrition, and health benefits in every bite. Made by fermenting vegetables like Napa cabbage and radish with a blend of chili, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce, kimchi is a powerhouse of probiotics and immune-boosting ingredients. Garlic and ginger, both key components, are known for their natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making kimchi a smart choice for supporting your body's defenses. The magic of kimchi lies in its fermentation process. As the vegetables ferment, beneficial bacteria, especially lactobacillus, multiply, creating a tangy, complex flavor and producing compounds that are great for your gut. These probiotics help balance your digestive system, support nutrient absorption, and may even play a role in boosting your mood and mental health. The bubbling and transformation you see during fermentation is a sign of these healthy microbes at work. Kimchi is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, which are important for immune function, skin health, and bone strength. The fiber from the vegetables helps keep your digestion regular, while iron supports energy and overall vitality. The vibrant colors of kimchi come from a variety of fresh vegetables, each adding its own unique nutrients and antioxidants. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy kimchi. Add it to rice bowls for a spicy kick, toss it into stir-fries for extra flavor, or simply serve it as a tangy side dish to complement your meal. Kimchi can also be used as a topping for noodles, burgers, or even pizza, bringing a burst of flavor and nutrition to any dish. Its bold, zesty flavor and impressive health benefits make kimchi a standout among fermented foods. The combination of spicy, sour, and umami notes creates a taste experience that's both exciting and satisfying. Plus, eating kimchi regularly can help diversify your gut microbiome, which is linked to better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved mood. Try adding kimchi to your favorite meals to spice things up and give your gut a nourishing boost. Whether you're enjoying it with breakfast eggs, mixing it into salads, or using it as a flavorful condiment, kimchi is a versatile addition to any diet. Sharing kimchi with friends and family is a delicious way to connect over food that's both tasty and good for you. It's a simple, enjoyable habit that supports digestion, strengthens your immune system, and brings a bit of Korean tradition to your table. Don't miss out on this flavorful, gut-friendly dish. Kimchi is a vibrant, health-boosting food that deserves a place in your kitchen and on your plate. Miso, a fermented soybean paste originating from Japan, is celebrated for its deep, savory flavor and remarkable health benefits. This ancient staple has been a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine for centuries, prized not only for its taste but also for its nutritional value. Miso is often described as an umami-rich probiotic powerhouse, thanks to the unique fermentation process that transforms simple soybeans into a complex, flavorful paste. The fermentation process, which can last from a few months to several years, is what gives miso its signature depth and makes it easy to digest. During fermentation, beneficial bacteria and enzymes break down the soybeans, creating a food that's not only rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals like zinc and manganese, but also teeming with probiotics that support gut health. Miso is also packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. Its combination of nutrients makes it a smart addition to any diet, especially for those looking to boost their overall wellness. There are many varieties of miso, each with its own unique flavor profile and color. White miso, or shiro miso, is mild and slightly sweet, making it perfect for lighter soups and dressings. Red miso, or aka miso, is fermented longer, resulting in a bolder, saltier taste that stands up well in hearty stews and marinades. You can even find mixed miso, which blends the best of both worlds. Miso is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Use it to create classic miso soup, whisk it into salad dressings for a savory kick, or use it as a marinade for fish, chicken, or vegetables. Its rich umami flavor enhances everything from broths to glazes, and even a small spoonful can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Just a little miso goes a long way in boosting gut health, thanks to its live cultures and digestive enzymes. It's a great way to add depth to your meals while supporting your digestive system and overall well-being. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of miso to find your favorite. Each variety offers a unique taste experience, and sampling them can be a fun way to explore new flavors and textures in your cooking. By adding miso to your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious, savory ingredient, you're also giving your body a flavorful, gut-friendly boost that supports your health from the inside out. Tempeh, a fermented soybean cake from Indonesia, is a protein-packed, gut-friendly food. It's a complete protein and rich in fiber, making it ideal for plant-based diets. Fermentation makes tempeh easy to digest and increases nutrient absorption. Crumble it into stir-fries, salads, or use as a meat substitute. Marinate and bake or pan-fry for a hearty main dish. Tempeh's nutty flavor and versatility make it a kitchen staple. Add tempeh to your meals for a nutritious probiotic boost. It's a delicious way to support your gut and overall health. Kombucha is a fizzy, fermented tea packed with probiotics and antioxidants. Made with a SCOBY, it supports digestion and boosts immunity. Kombucha comes in many flavors. Choose those with minimal added sugar. Its natural fermentation produces a tiny amount of alcohol, but it's very low. Enjoy kombucha as a refreshing drink to support gut health. Try different varieties to find your favorite flavor. Kombucha is a tasty, easy way to add probiotics to your day. Not all pickles are probiotic. Look for naturally fermented, lacto-fermented pickles. These are made with saltwater brine, not vinegar, and contain live cultures. Check labels for naturally fermented and simple ingredients: cucumbers, water, salt, and spices. Choose pickles from the refrigerated section for maximum benefits. Avoid those with vinegar or added sugar. Enjoy fermented pickles on sandwiches, salads, or as a snack. They're a crunchy, tangy way to boost your gut health. Add them to your diet for a simple probiotic boost. Natto, a traditional Japanese food, is made from fermented soybeans. This humble dish has been a staple in Japanese households for centuries, cherished not only for its unique taste, but also for its impressive health benefits. The process of making natto involves steaming soybeans and then fermenting them with a specific bacteria, Bacillus subtilis, which gives natto its signature sticky, stringy texture. Natto is instantly recognizable by its sticky, almost web-like threads that form when you stir or lift it with chopsticks. Its aroma is strong and earthy, often described as pungent or even cheesy, which can be surprising for first-timers. But don't let its appearance or smell fool you. Natto is a nutritional powerhouse. One of the standout features of natto is its richness in probiotics, especially the beneficial Bacillus subtilis. These live bacteria are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Regularly eating natto can help balance your gut flora, potentially reducing digestive issues and boosting your body's natural defenses. Natto is also one of the best natural sources of vitamin K2, a nutrient that's often lacking in modern diets. Vitamin K2 is vital for bone health, as it helps transport calcium to where it's needed in the body, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. It also supports cardiovascular health by preventing calcium buildup in the arteries, making natto a heart-friendly food. The flavor of natto is truly unique, savory, slightly nutty, and with a hint of bitterness. Many people enjoy it mixed with soy sauce, spicy mustard, or chopped green onions to enhance its taste and add extra layers of flavor. These condiments not only complement natto's natural umami, but also make it more approachable for those new to fermented foods. There are countless ways to enjoy natto. The most traditional method is to serve it over a bowl of hot steamed rice, allowing the sticky beans to mingle with the grains. You can also stir natto into miso soup for a probiotic boost, or use it as a topping for salads, adding both texture and nutrition to your meal. Whether you eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, natto is a versatile ingredient that fits easily into a healthy diet. It's packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a true superfood for anyone looking to support their gut health and overall well-being. If you're hesitant because of its texture or aroma, remember that many people grow to love natto after just a few tries. Its health benefits far outweigh any initial reservations, and experimenting with different toppings can help you find a combination you enjoy. So why not give natto a chance? Expand your palate, nourish your gut, and discover why this sticky, stringy Japanese superfood has been treasured for generations. Your body and your taste buds just might thank you. Lassi, a traditional Indian yogurt drink, is soothing and probiotic rich. Blend yogurt with water or milk and flavor with fruit or spices. Mango lassi is a popular sweet version. Savory lassi uses spices like cumin and mint. Lassi cools the digestive tract and supports regularity. Make your own at home for a refreshing, gut-friendly beverage. Enjoy lassi year-round for digestive comfort and hydration. It's a delicious way to support your gut and stay refreshed. There you have it, 10 fermented foods to transform your gut health. Add these to your diet to boost beneficial bacteria, immunity, and digestion. Subscribe for more wellness tips, and let us know which fermented food you'll try first.